So here today we're talking about the new range of non-corrosive fittings and battens under the family name of Barracuda. Here we have the Barracuda Extreme, which is your non-corrosive, and here we have the standard Barracuda, which is your standard batten. Both versions are available in 4 foot, 5 foot and 6 foot versions, and there is a 2 foot version of the non-corrosive coming soon. So starting with the non-corrosive fitting, clips both sides, very secure, polycarb diffuser rated at IK10. It's an IP66 rated fitting and will operate into temperatures up to -30 degrees. So ideal for chilled areas and storage freezers. Should you require stainless steel marine grade clips, if installing near the coast or where there's high areas of salt content in the air, we do offer them as a separate option as well. As you will see, the diffuser is hinged. The reason for this, whilst installing, like so, the contractor has full access to be able to hold the base to be able to mount. Of course, these can be unclipped if need be, if it makes things easier. Inside the fitting, you will get a bag of fixings. This includes your suspension hangers, a compression gland, as well as the clips to surface mount to enable the base to be clipped straight on. Again, making things very easy. We have 4 wattages available, which enables a single low power, high power, or twin fitting low power, high power, depending on the application. It is CCT available as well, so from warm white, cool white to daylight. You've got various beezer box mountings here, here, as well as compression gland entries at each end if you want to follow through. We offer an emergency version. The emergency pack is both manual and self-test. All you need to do is flick the switch. It comes out of the box on the manual test. If you want self-test, you just flick it over. To install, you will remove this bridge, like so. You will then insert those 2 lugs here, like so, and then that simply clips in. No extra cables, no disconnecting any cables, very simple. The emergency indicator will then go here, where it actually says test indicator. That lug will fit under there, push down, that's it, done. If you require a sensor of some sort, whether it be corridor or microwave, we do this, which is a 2-in-1. You will notice the dip switches. By adjusting them as per the instructions will enable either corridor or microwave and to the time settings that you require. Again, the sensor position is marked here saying sensor. This lug here will slide in there, push down. You will then lock using the twist turn mechanism. You will remove this plastic cap here, plug in. You are now all set. Earth can be moved as well if need be, as well as the connector block here. And you will see on the base, you've got various cable retainers here, should you need to move it. As you can see, very simple, no taking cables apart or having to swap and change. It's very self-explanatory. We've taken installation for the contractor into account and tried to make it as easy as possible. Onto the standard Barracuda batten. Again, very sleek design, pleasing to the eye. To unlock this one, we have on the end here a mechanism. Just push to the side, that now unlocks, and then that just unclips like so. Again, the same as the Extreme, it's hinged like so to make installation a lot easier for the contractor. Again, 4 wattages available, 3 colours available, push fit terminals with loop in, loop out facility. Again, the beauty of the non-corrosive, the Barracuda Extreme and the standard Barracuda is the emergency pack and the sensor is universal. It can be used in both the Barracuda and the Barracuda Extreme. Again, in the fitting, it is marked where both the emergency and the sensor needs to go. Remove the bridge as I showed you on the non-corrosive. Take your fitting, fit into the lugs, clip down, you're now plugged in. Same with the sensor. The sensor is marked, but this time it's on the actual diffuser. That will go like so, in, lock, plug in, okay? Point to be taken on both the Extreme and the standard Barracuda. If for whatever reason the emergency pack is removed, for both fittings to work, the bridge needs to be replaced. Without the bridge, the fitting will not operate. So thank you for joining us today on this video. Hope you liked what you saw and found it informative. Please share, like, subscribe under the All LED group, and we'll see you again on the next video.